Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download graphic card driver. So first you have to come gigabyte.com website and go to right side, just search button and enter your model number of motherboard. Enter B860ME, then hit enter. Then click to product. B860ME, click on that. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is using Windows 10 11. So if you are using any, so no worry, because installations process same, Windows 10 installations process same. Last, come in the last VGA driver. So Intel VGA driver, and this is size and all, and this is download button. Just click to download, it will start downloading here. You can see like that. So which is 915. After download, you open it. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. And it is done, means this is closed. So guys, other also is there, BIOS and VGA, so all try to latest. Okay.